how you guys doing? Colton Howard here, Florida Structural Group. I'd like to showcase one of our restoration projects down here on Fort Myers Beach. This project is Tunaskin Aquatic Apparel. Just so happens to be right next to the legendary Lonnie Kai. Here at Tunaskin, we placed some planks up here on some new columns. We're getting ready for stucco and some waterproofing, and we poured a new slab right behind me. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys tune in for the next one.